Let us go through the question. A family uses 8 kilowatt of power. Direct solar energy is incident on the horizontal surface at an average rate of 200 watt per square meter. If 20% of this energy can be converted to useful electrical energy, how large an area is needed to supply 8 kilowatt? It is given that efficiency of energy conversion is 20%. According to the question, we can write 8 into 10 cube into equals 20 by 100 into A into 200. Here A is the area required. So we can find out the value of A, and it is coming out to be 200 meters square. Thus the required area is 200 meters square. Compare this area to that of the roof of a typical house. A typical house has a dimension of 14 into 14 meters square. The area of the roof of the house is 225 meters square. This is nearly equal to the area required for the production of the given amount of electricity.